Here's some Triangle Shirtwaist trivia. Subscribe. In which city did the Triangle Shirtwaist fire occur? Is it A, Boston, B, Chicago, C, New York City, or D, Philadelphia? The correct answer is C, New York City. How many workers died in the Triangle Shirtwaist fire? Is it A, 75, B, 146, C, 250, or D, 100? The correct answer is B, 146. Which reform movement gained momentum after the fire? Is it A, civil rights, B, labor rights, C, women's suffrage, or D, child labor laws? The correct answer is B, labor rights. Who owned the Triangle Shirtwaist factory? Is it A, David C. Phillips, B, Richard Anderson, C, Max Blank and Isaac Harris, or D, Sarah Goldman? The correct answer is C, Max Blank and Isaac Harris. In what month did the Triangle Shirtwaist fire occur? Is it A, October, B, January, C, June, or D, March? The correct answer is D, March. What was the primary demographic of workers in the factory? Is it A, retired workers, B, immigrant women, C, local teenagers, or D, young men? The correct answer is B, immigrant women. Which organization investigated the Triangle Shirtwaist fire aftermath? Is it A, Labor Rights Bureau, B, Factory Investigating Commission, C, Fire Safety Council, or D, Occupational Health Agency? The correct answer is B, Factory Investigating Commission. Where did many of the victims jump from? Is it A, roof, B, stairwell, C, window, or D, fire escape? The correct answer is D, fire escape. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.